Widzicie, bo ja sobie nisam tu prezentaciju uopće stavila. Čekaj. Evo, Jose je tu.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, Jose. Hello, Elena. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. A lot of work these days. Yes. Hi, Portuguese students. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
Fine. Oh, nice to see you. Do you like virtual mobility? Do you like virtual mobility, these meetings we have? Yes? Oh, I'm glad. So how's the weather in Portugal, in Covilhã? It's sunny?
Today, but
Yes. And warm, I
it's not
suppose.
rain.
Yes, I'm in short sleeves already.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. Oh, Dila, hi, Ilke. How are you? Ivana, samo sekundu. Ivana, imaš ti možda WhatsApp? Ivana, imaš možda WhatsApp? Zato kaj ti sad skidam s WhatsAppom, ajde. Može. Evo, poslano, daj provjeri.
Hello, we are here.
Hi. Yes, I just saw that you are here. How are you today?
Okay, great. We have a sunny day today in Poland. What about you?
Great. We also have a sunny day.
Excellent. Perfect.
Yes, it's already perfect. Yes.
Is everyone here?
I think, yes. I see Portuguese team and I see Turkish team. And I don't know if Bahar is here.
I can't see her.
Maybe she's not here yet. Let me see. So we have 2 minutes more to start. Great, you're everybody on time.
Hello everyone. Sad je malo ovakav Aj sad možeš.
Sad možeš.
Hello. I'm here today because I have a free class and I join with you.
Okay. Yes.
With some of you, I will see you later.
Okay. Ivana, ćeš još nešto reći? Ne, okay. So we have a bit more. We'll start. So have a nice day, everyone. Welcome to the offer day of our mobility. I don't know if I told you my name. I'm teacher Ivana, by the way, and I'm your host. So, please, možete isključiti samo mikrofon.
Ja sam iskopčala.
So for today, we have one presentation from Ms. Busra Zeynep Ozdemir. She is an academician from Izmir Economy University, and she will talk about climate changes and sustainable energy. So, Busra, you may be here already.
Büşra hocam, are you here? She just joined.
So, Bahar, can we start?
I think yes, we can, but I'm just trying to check. Is my teacher in it? Yeah, she's here.
Okay.
In it, I would like to announce her first. She is my teacher. She used to be my teacher in the first term, and she gave a great lecture to all teachers in our master degree. And she has extensive knowledge about the world's energy sources and sustainable energy. And I'm quite pleased to announce her. Büşra hocam, are you here?
Yes.
If she is suitable to talk, she can start, but I can't. Yeah, she's here. She's quite young, you see, but she's a very professional in her job. Büşra hocam, can you hear us?
Oh, wait.
No, she's here, but why?
She can hear us. She can't hear us. Why? Wait.
All right, so we can wait. She needs to start her Zoom.
Maybe now it will be everything okay.
In it, I can give a bit brief information about sustainable energy. Let me ask you some questions about our subject, sustainable energy. So what are the sustainable energies in the world? So can students write their ideas about sustainable energy resources on chat, or they can talk also? So do you have sustainable energy resources, renewable energy resources in your country? Can you give some information about them till our teacher will be prepared?
Okay, who will talk? Please say. Održiva energija. Koji imamo održivu energiju kod nas? Ja bom ti smanjila sad svoj.
So in our town,
There's a cool. So let's start with a country who is ready. Is Portugal ready to talk? Do you have renewable energy sources in your area? Is Portugal here? Yes, I think so.
Hi, so yes, in Portugal we have all kinds of renewable sources, including geothermal.
Mm-hmm. Is it in Croatia or Portugal? I couldn't hear.
Portugal.
Portugal, okay. You have geothermal. And do you have also wind energy, solar panels also?
A lot. Yes, a lot of them.
Okay, how about Croatia?
So in Croatia, in our town, we have so in Varaždin, in our town, we have a power plant that is water energy. So the whole town basically operates on energy from water. And we also have a solar power plant.
Hydro also, right? Hydro energy, which comes from the rivers and dams in area. Yes, how about Poland?
Yes, hi. We also use a lot of. We also use wind energy, solar panels. A lot of people install them in their houses, on the roofs of their houses, and you can see a lot of like windmills in the fields around our town. And we also use water power as well. There are places where people use the power of rivers. Okay.
Excellent, thank you. And Poland is the second country which has coal mines, a lot of coal mines. So we're also working on that. And
well, we do have a lot of coal mines, but we also have a lot of kind of factories, power plants, where the coal is used to produce heat for a lot of houses in the town, and they filter the smoke they produce. So actually, it's quite ecological. We visited one of those places during our eco trips before the meeting, and they told us a lot about how it is organized.
Right.
oh, excellent. So Croatia didn't talk, as far as I know, did they?
Hannah will tell you what kind of energy we use. So I have to turn out my microphone so you can hear her. Just a
Okay.
second. Hannah, you now.
So in our town in Varaždin, we have a power plant powered by water, and it powers the whole town, and also a solar plant. And in our school, we also have solar panels which help get energy for the school.
Okay, excellent. Oh, that's great news. How about Turkey? We have a school from Turkey also. My
Yes.
dear teacher.
Yes. Hello. We mostly have hydropower as far as I know, because we live in a mountainous area. But because we are not in the very north or somewhere else, we don't have wind power much. It's not very common here. It's unlike Netherlands or other countries. But we also use, probably every country does that, like recycling, like those kind of systems. Yeah,
But
I think
in Istanbul, you don't have lots of energy power plants, unfortunately, because of industry zone. Maybe in Izmir, for example, we have, in Seferisar especially, we have lots of windmills and solar panels. It's very common, and even my friend has solar panels in their house, and they produce electricity, and it's quite reasonable for them, and they don't need to pay electricity bills, so they also earn money. So that's because of the region.
Yes, they also do this, like they produce electricity, they generate some electric power, and then they sell it to the government. Like
Mhm.
if they do it for the extra. And there are some also summer houses that I know out of Istanbul, like they use solar power to get some electricity. And I think we also use it to get some warm water in our houses. Some people do that.
Mhm.
There are some other systems for that as well. Like instead of natural gas, they
Yeah.
use panels to get some warm water.
Yeah, thank you. So
But
I
in
leave the
Istanbul, we
floor.
are lucky we can see the sky.
Yeah. Okay, thank you all for your contribution, and I'm leaving the floor to my dearest teacher, Vishra Zeynep, teacher.
Thank you, Bahar'cığım. I want to welcome you all to today's presentation, today's discussion on sustainable energy solutions for climate change and global warming issue that our world is facing for decades now. Please let me share my presentation with you. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
excellent.
Thank you. Yeah, as I said, our topic today is climate change, global warming, climate change, and the solution for this issue is sustainable energy, powering a sustainable future for coping with climate change and global warming. We need to first understand the basics of the climate change to first to understand the solutions for this. Our world stands at a critical juncture that is grappling with the escalating changing of the climate change. And this presentation here will help us to explore the urgent needs for sustainable energy solutions and how renewable energy resources can mitigate the global warming, can help us to mitigate the global warming. I will provide a roadmap for a transition to a cleaner energy, a greener planet, emphasizing collaborative efforts among governments, businesses, and individuals to secure a sustainable future for generations to come. First, we need to understand that the global warming has been pacing in an unprecedented change. Our Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate. Global average temperatures have risen by 1.1 Celsius since pre-industrial levels, according to the International Panel for Climate Change, Intergovernmental Panel for Climate Change, sorry. Greenhouse gas emissions, which are causing for global warming, primarily carbon dioxide, methane, and etc., are the primary drivers of the climate change. CO2 levels are at 420 ppm and the highest in 100,000 years, according to NOAA. And there is a scientific consensus that more than 97% of climate scientists now agree that our climate is changing by human activities, human activities changing our the nature of our world's climate. So let's have a look at the impacts of the climate change, which is a global crisis, unfortunately. First, we are experiencing a rising sea levels, which is threatening coastal communities. For instance, the countries living in the coastal sites, threatening coastal communities, the ecosystems, which is displacing thousands and millions of people and causing immense damage to the infrastructure, the people living in there. Second one is extreme weather events, which are increased frequency and intensity of hurricanes, droughts, and floods, and leading to a widespread destruction and loss of life. Third one is ocean acidification, harming marine life, with coral bleaching events increased by more than 15% according to Norway, and devastating the marine ecosystems. And the fourth one is biodiversity loss. Species extinction rates are 1,000 times higher than pre-human levels, and as reported by UNIC, diminishing the planet's diversity is also the impact of the global warming and climate change. The role the energy resources we have been consuming during the industrial levels are playing a major role in today's global warming and climate change. So we need to first understand that energy sector's emission play the largest role, has the largest share in today's global warming and climate change, which are their emissions account more than 70% of global greenhouse gas emissions, according to International Energy Agency, making it a primary contributor to today's global warming and climate change. The power sector driving by fossil fuels is the primary cause, which is coal, oil, and natural gas. Their use releasing the carbon dioxide emissions and other pollutant greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating the greenhouse gas effect, and drives the global warming highest levels. Deforestation also the result of the global warming, which is deforestation for fuel and agriculture, further exacerbates the problem and reducing our planet's capacity to absorb the CO2 emissions, because we all know that our forests are the natural sources for absorbing the greenhouse gas emissions, first the carbon dioxide emissions from the atmosphere, and locking them into their itself, and help to mitigate the climate change and global warming. But unfortunately, the deforestation prevent the forests to make their natural duty. And key areas of concern today are electricity generation, that we need to have for all of our needs for today's modern life. Transportation and industry are the key areas of concerns, requiring immediate and substantial reductions in their emissions. So how can we provide a solution that power sector can less emit these carbon dioxide emissions, these greenhouse gas effect, to help us to mitigate global warming? A viable path forward, which is first driven by renewable energy resources. We need to embrace solar power, wind energy, hydropower, geothermal, biomass as alternatives to fossil fuels, because these renewable energy resources potential are depends on the geography that the countries are locating. So their potential and their capacity to have these renewable energy resources differs from each other. But countries need to explore their potential and need to, reach their capacity as far as they can. So, and second, they need to decrease their reliance on fossil fuels. The fossil fuel which is polluting more our planet is coal. So countries need to first decrease their reliance and their use of coal first, and then oil, and then natural gas. to lower the carbon dioxide to methane or the greenhouse gas emissions they emit to the atmosphere. And the second one, the third one, which is as significant as having renewable energy resources in our consumption, is improving energy efficiency. Because if you increase your energy efficiency, this helps us to consume less energy for our same needs. So we have to, governments, individuals, all consumers need to improve their energy efficiencies by implementing strategies to minimize the energy waste, to minimize their energy consumption in their buildings, in their heating and cooling systems, in their transportation, and their industry. And the fourth one is investing in storage technologies, which is unfortunately uncommon for today. But we all hope for making storage technologies and capacities more common in the near future. So governments and all decision makers need to support the development of batteries, the storage technologies, and other storage solutions for storing the electricity generated by renewable energy resources. Because unfortunately, we all know that with technology that we are using today is providing us intermittent electricity resources from renewable energy resources. For instance, if we have wind today, we can use wind electricity. But if we don't have wind today, we can't generate electricity by using our wind power plants. So if we have storage technologies to store the electricity we generate today from our wind energy power plants, we can use this stored electricity in the near future. So storage technologies are very significant for sustainable energy, sustainable electricity supply for renewable energy technologies. Let's have a look at the energy resources, which renewable energy resources in more focus. Solar power, harnessing the sun's energy. We can use solar energy by using solar photovoltaic cells, which is converting sunlight into electricity by using photovoltaic technology. And the second one is solar thermal systems, which is utilizing the sunlight to heat water, as our teacher said before, and air, for various applications to heat or to warm our houses, our water, and our buildings, etc. The global capacity today, the 2022 global capacity for solar power energy reached 1.2 terawatt in global scale, which is avoiding 1.6 gigatons of carbon dioxide emissions from the atmosphere. And the sun energy is also providing cost reduction for our energy needs appliances, which is the cost of solar power has decreased by almost 90% since 2009, which is making the solar power in global scale is a more affordable, a more cheaper way to invest in. Wind energy, capturing the breeze. Wind turbines helps us to convert wind into the electricity by offering a clean and sustainable electricity power sustainable electricity generation. Today we have two appliances for wind power, which is onshore and offshore. Onshore wind farms, for instance, in Turkey, all of our wind turbines are onshore, and our government is planning to invest to build offshore wind power plants also, because the winds coming from the ocean, the seas, are more powerful than the winds coming from the shore. So governments and all decision makers, all consumers need to first understand that the deployment of onshore and offshore winds can provide us huge electricity generation depending on the wind resources we have. This is also a cost reduction for electricity appliances we have. And the cost of wind power has also decreased by 2000 since by mostly 70%, and enhancing its competitiveness with other renewable energy resources and other electricity generation appliances, so on. And global capacity of wind power generation mostly reached 900 gigawatts in 2020, which is the second placed its second behind the solar power, contributing significantly to the generation of renewable electricity, or which is consumed our world. Hydropower, which is the mostly how can I say, which is the conventional way to generate electricity from the renewable energy resources, is hydropower, geothermal, and biomass. Hydropower plants are harnessing the energy of flowing water to generate electricity for a long established renewable electricity supply. The second one is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is significant. It has how can I say, a special place among all renewable energy resources, because geothermal power plants can provide intermittent electricity supply by generating electricity from heated water power. So tapping the Earth's internal heat, water, for electricity and heating is a reliable, intermittent, sustainable, and a consistent resource. And the biomass energy, which is using organic matter as a fuel, the waste and the, how can I say, the all of the biomass power we have today, as we can use as a fuel, a versatile option that can reduce the waste and provide energy and electricity and heat for our needs. The benefits of a sustainable energy is a win-win situation for all, which can first can help us to mitigate climate change by reducing the greenhouse gas emissions emitted by using fossil fuels, mostly, as I said before, coal, oil, and natural gas. It helps us to increase the health of our people, our whole ecosystem, and by improving the air and environment equality, helps us to increase the economic growth, to help us to have sustainable economic growth stimulation by creating jobs, by creating other industries, by creating our other solutions. So it can help us to provide sustainable economic growth also. And most significantly is helps us to provide secure energy resources, secure electricity, secure energy power, which can enhance energy independence for most of the countries. Yeah, for conclusion, renewable energy resources can help us to call for a global action for creating sustainable energy resources, which are essential for securing a sustainable future for all. Government, businesses, individuals, all decision makers must collaborate to invest in renewable energy, to improve energy efficiency, to embrace sustainable practices, sustainable policies, etc. By embracing sustainable energy, we can create a cleaner, healthier world for our future generations and help us to mitigate the global warming and climate change, and by ensuring a thriving planet for all. So, yeah, we need to keep in mind that, yeah, by using renewable energy resources, we can help our world to provide the future generations for a sustainable environment. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your attention.
We thank you a lot for this great presentation. And yesterday in the course, we talked about Iceland and we talked about the geothermal. And so if we convert our energy, if we phase out coal, or if we have lots of energy sources, so it's also very beneficial for individuals, also for citizens, because you pay a lot less electricity bills. So I hope we will extend them in all countries, so the costs of living will decrease. I thank you a lot. Do you have any questions to our students, or how about the students? Do you have any questions to our dearest teacher?
Please feel free to ask if you have any questions.
And yesterday I told them sustainable energy is a very demanding, increasing, trendy topic for everyone else. And at university they can study that, and so they can most probably hire a job for future. So they can make correct decisions for their future as having a great job. So it's another point that I emphasize, because unemployment is increasing day by day because of AI. So it could be another opportunity for them, for their decisions to make their future better. Thank you. It was amazing. Like as usual.
Yes,
Really
thank
love you
you,
a lot and
Bahar'cığım.
miss you a lot.
Thank you for having me for this great conversation. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming. So now we will have a short meeting of project coordinators. Okay, so maybe only coordinators.
Yes, we can do that while students are working in presentations. Indeed,
Yes,
while
of
students are
course.
here, it would be hard for us to get together. Maybe we can do it later on.
Maybe later. Okay.
Yeah, maybe later on.
So can I then proceed with my workshop?
Yeah, excellent.
Okay, great. So, dear everyone, today we will have one workshop when we will try to make VR glasses from recyclable materials like plastic and some cardboard. So I hope you did prepare everything that I brought to your show to your coordinators that you have to have for this workshop. And now I will call my student, Lorena, come please. She will be my assistant for today because she is very skilled with recycled materials and with glue gun, and she will help me to make this workshop with you. So say hi to everybody. So what you need for this workshop, I have to move my camera a little bit further so you can see. You had to prepare some part of cardboard like this. So I hope you have it. So these two parts you need. You need these two parts. This one, and please on the right side do this little window. I will show you. Yes, on the right side on the cardboard, please make this little hole here. Okay. Yes, if you watch it, it's on your left side. Yes. And then you have to have these two plastic lenses filled with water. I hope you have this. And then, of course, you have to have a glue gun because we have to glue it all together. So when it will be finished, it would look like, please give me, something like this. So this should be a final product for today. So I will guide you step by step. Don't worry. If you have questions, you can always say what, when you start with something you don't know how to do it, I will repeat it. So first, what you have to do is take this part with this hole. Have to be quiet. And you have to put, I think, of course, you have to put it in the electricity. Yes, the glue gun has to be warm because the glue has to melt it in it. But first thing that we're gonna do is take this part and you will put glue on this side and this side. And you will glue these plastic lenses like this. Can you see? It has to look like that. So please do that now. It's not warm yet. Okay. Okay, we can wait a little bit until the glue guns will be hot enough to extract the hot glue. See Polish team, Turkish team, Portuguese. Do you have everything for this workshop? Yes, okay.
Yes, we also have everything. The girls, I don't know if you can see them.
So I can see everything. Great, girls. Great.
They are just trying to figure out how to put all the parts together.
I will guide you step by step. We have to wait until the glue gun will be warm enough. Your glue gun warm enough?
It's okay for them now, you know. If we have questions, we will ask. Okay, just give us a bit more time.
Sorry, Kasia, I don't hear you. Can you repeat, please?
I'm just saying that the girls say they know they are figuring it out, and if they have questions, they will ask. So we are okay. We are okay.
Okay. So put a lot of glue. Put a lot of glue here. And you have to press it with your fingers until the glue dries out, you know? So if you have finished the first step, it should look like this, okay? Now, the second step, you took the other part, this one, and glue it on this side. So you put glue everywhere here and glue the other side like this. Do I have to repeat? No, you understand? Okay, so you have to have this when you glue it. Okay, so you have to have something like this. Yes, great. Okay. Now, take this part and you will have to glue this part on it, but not through all to here. You have to leave 1 centimeter like this. Do you see? You have to leave 1 centimeter of cardboard like this when you glue it. So put the glue here and glue it like that, but you have to leave 1 centimeter of cardboard free. Okay? And press it because it has to pull down. Este uspio. So it has to look like this. Yes, great. Polish team. Now, the next step, you take these two parts and you have to glue it on this and this side. So put the glue here and here, and then add this part of cardboard like this. So you have to close this side and then repeat on the other side like this. Lorena will show you. Yes? Do you have some questions maybe? No? Okay. Next one. So when you finished this, it has to look like this. Pauline, have you made it? No? Do you need more? Do you need some more time? Dila, and in your team, do you need some more time?
Yes, we are trying to glue them.
Okay. You tell me when to slow down. I can repeat.
Okay, you can see.
Yes,
our-
great. Okay. Did you left a little bit place here because we have to add another section? We have to add this in front. Will you have enough space? Portuguese team, how are you doing? Do you need some help? Jose and Elena and students? You can comment, you can ask me if you need some more time or some explanation what to do.
Almost ready. Okay.
Okay. Are you come to this part now? Yes, great. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So now, can we proceed? Can I go on? Or do you need some more time? Dila, do you need some more time maybe?
Ivana, can you show us again what to do with that last part? The one with a little window. Where should we stick it?
So it's not last part, it's part before the last part. So when you have this, when you glue these both sides, then you will take this part with a little hole and glue it in front of it. In front, like this. You will close the lenses, you know? You will look here and you will close the lenses like this when you glue this side, okay? So now put glue here, here, and here, and glue this part like this. And you will close the VR glasses, okay? So it has to be the place when you will put your mobile phones inside, okay? So Lorena will show you how to do it. Here, here, here. Croatian students, how are you doing? Good? Okay. Elena, please take the photos. Take this part and wait. Maybe you have to press a little bit so the glue sticks to the carton, pardon, cardboard. Yes, excellent. Be very careful because the glue is very hot, so you can burn yourselves. So when you glue this part, it should look like this. So you will have something like this, but we are not finished yet because we have, please, like one more part, and this is this part. So this part goes on the top, but like this. You have to leave this space open. It has to be glued like this. So put the glue here, here, and here. And then you put this last cardboard like this. And then we will be finished. And we can use it, our VR glasses from recycled material. So Lorena will show you this last step. Yes. Sam treba držati ova pri kraju, a ovaj naš ne bude. I sad sam ovaj tu. Express. Dobro, nije tako. Ovo odrezam. So, if you have managed to successfully glue it this last part, you just can cut this extra cardboard so it doesn't bother you when you will put it on your face. Željka, si Niku slikala? Željka, zato se mi ne vidimo na velikom ekranu. Zato se mi ne vidimo na velikom ekranu.
Ti se vidiš, ali su sve isključili.
Ne, ali zato se ja tu ne vidim na ovom. Vidiš.
Možda oni treba da vide. Možeš kliknuti na nekog, ako hoćeš vidjeti da ti je veliki.
This is extra, so we will cut it down. Yes. So, and now our VR glasses are ready to be used. So it has to look like this. It has to have pole on the right side, some space here so you can put your mobile phones, and you will have to be able to look through these lenses. Maybe if this part will bother for your nose, you can cut some little piece here so you can see it more clearly. Now, when we will have the next workshop with Yasemin, we will use it. You will have to put your mobile phones in here and you will look like this. I hope it will work. I tried before and it works. Now, it's not original VR glasses, but it's made from cardboard, but I hope people can use it for what we have to do. So can you tell me how are you doing? Are you almost finished?
I think
Done.
yes.
Portuguese team.
Portuguese team.
Done.
Oh, great.
Ready.
Congratulations. Was it fun for you to do it?
Was it fun?
Yes, great. Thank you. I congratulate to everyone. Yes. Polish team, how are you doing?
We finished. We have one set. Sarah, can you show us? Yeah.
Yes.
It's almost ready, one set, but we are working on the other two sets.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
great, great. Turkish team, do you need maybe some help?
We try to solve. We have some technical problems, but we will
Okay.
figure out soon.
But it looks great. Do you
Almost
need some
finished.
help? Great, excellent. I hope it will work for you and for me and for Portuguese team and for Polish team.
These are the last steps. So
Okay, great. Do you have fun doing it?
yes, it's fun.
It was hard for you, maybe some parts.
I think the difficult part was the eye part, especially
Yes, of course.
because
Yes.
when you use the syringe, it just leaks. So
Yes.
we
Yes,
couldn't
I know.
find some solution
Yes,
for it.
because I was doing this yesterday, 3 hours, and I cut so many plastic lenses and tried to glue it. And I burned myself 10 times. And every time when I pour water in it, it was leaking. So I somehow managed after 3 hours to make for 3 or 2 glasses these lenses. And I said, this is hard to do it.
Yeah,
Other parts, cardboard parts, are very simple to glue. It's not difficult, but these lenses was the hardest thing to do in this project. That's why I sent you before instructions, because I know this will be the main problem. The students couldn't do it by themselves. I was afraid that they will burn themselves, their fingers with hot glue, because this is the hardest part to do it. But I congratulate to everyone. You made it. Yasemin, hi.
Hello.
We're finished.
Nice.
We can use them.
Let's try.
Activity.
Okay, all finished, I think.
So do you maybe need some more time? Polish team, Turkish team, maybe 5 more minutes before Yasemin takes over. We will wait maybe a few more minutes. I see that Turkish team is finishing. Yes. Pasha, how your girls doing?
We have one set, so we can say we're ready. Yes, they are finishing two other sets.
Do I need to instruct them? Maybe
Okay.
more? Do you need help?
No, it's
Oh,
fine.
they know what to do. Okay.
Okay. Let's start our workshop.
Okay, so can we start now?
Okay. I will share my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, Ivana?
Yes. I hope
Okay.
they're all finished so we can proceed. Thank you very much for participating in this workshop. I hope you're finished, and I will give the word to Yasemin to her beautiful workshop. So I hope everything will be good with these VR glasses. I hope we made it.
We are waiting Turkish group, I think.
I have to check my students if they are finished. Just a second.
It has done. Dila? Okay. Nice. All group finished, I think. Okay. Hello, everyone, again. Today, we will start to watch VR videos with your VR headset. And then we will calculate our carbon footprint. Firstly, our contents like that. And please use your homemade VR headset. Please firstly scan this QR code and place your phone to your headset. Meet your carbon footprint videos. Pay attention to activities that increase or decrease your carbon footprint. in this video. Enjoy it. It takes 4 minutes approximately. Can you watch now? How is the quality of your headset lenses? Please give me some feedback. Give me some feedback, please.
We can see it somehow, but we can see it.
Okay. It might be a bit blurry. As you know, in professional VR headsets, spatial lenses help focus the image properly. Since our headset don't have professional lenses and don't focus clearly, but we can see all students try this video. And when you watch this video, please pay attention to the activities that increase or decrease our carbon footprint. Because after this workshop, we will calculate our carbon footprint. All students are trying, I think. Kasha, everything is okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
And the girls say that it works.
Oh, okay.
They can see some objects like a fridge underwater. So they are just walking around and exploring, you know.
Okay.
Can you see them? Can you see us?
Jose?
We see solar system through lenses, through our VRs.
What?
We see solar system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dila, İlker, how is your glass headset?
They can see it, but not quite perfectly. But
Yeah, because of the lenses.
probably yes.
Yeah, not focused clearly.
Yes, it's not very perfectly clear, but they can see it.
Yeah, okay.
More or less the same in Portugal.
What, Jose? I couldn't hear.
More or less the same in Portugal.
Oh, okay. As you know, it is not professional headset.
We managed to see from all three glasses.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's doable. Is that perfect? But yeah, we can see something.
Yeah.
Students having fun. Yes.
Nice.
Yes, they enjoy it. Don't try it.
Okay. Take photos, your students with your headset. Okay, congratulations, all groups. And let's calculate our carbon footprint. Please, everyone, scan this QR code. I think we should calculate our carbon footprint in this virtual activity, in this project. So I add this activity near the VR activities. Now open the carbon footprint calculator from the QR code. Please keep your results open. We will discuss them later. Okay? Don't close your results at the end of the quizzes, okay? After these activities, it will be a short questionnaire time, and you will share your results with us. And then after these activities, we will assess these results. It's so important, I think. I think all group is finished. Am I right? Ivana, is it finished?
What do we do when we finish the quiz?
I will share the questionnaire and you will share the results with me.
Okay.
Okay. The other screen is that. This is the our questionnaire. When it is finished, please inform me. Ivana.
Kasia, I think you can share it on Instagram. Can you hear me? Yasemin, can you hear me?
Evet evet duyuyorum ben.
Kasia asked a question in the chat.
Ne yazdı? Duymadım.
Nerede paylaşalım demişti.
Sonuçları mı?
Aha.
Ona cevap verdim ya. Ha, şimdi mi
Verdin
şey şu anketi yapmaları lazım.
Yok yapmışlar. Sonuçları nerede paylaşalım demişti.
Sonuçları ben işte değerlendirdikten sonra paylaşacağım.
O demiş nerede paylaşayım diye.
Tamam.
Ezan geliyor arkadan. Dur.
He? Yanlış yazdım. Neyse.
Hello? Portuguese team, all done.
Okay. Nice.
Okay?
Ivana and İlker.
We are finished.
Okay, nice. And one more we are videos here about climate change. You can try your headset with this videos maybe later. Ivana, you know the program. I will share the this presentation with you. Maybe later, maybe now. You can try the others VR videos.
Maybe it's better if we try it later. If you can
Later?
try with your students. What do you think? Benim internet çok mu kötü?
Yo, internetin kötü değil de şu efektler görünüyor mu hocam?
Şu an ekranda da bir şey yok. Biz varız. Bakayım dur.
Yok
Ha,
ya,
dur.
ekranımı paylaştım ya. Şu
Şu
görünüyor
anda
mesela.
efekt
Bubble.
görünüyor. Baloncuklar. Yes, we see the bubbles.
Ha.
Yeah. Yes, we see the...
Canva'nın yeni şeyleri, sunum teknikleri. Okay.
Yes, we saw the drum plate. So I think it's the end of the activity, right?
Yeah. Thank you for your participation, joining this workshop.
I'm sorry, we were playing with these QR codes. Yasemin, you're finished?
Yeah.
Yes.
I am finished.
Okay. Thank you very much for this lovely presentation. We will try it also later with our students to see
Okay.
what can we do with these recyclable VR glasses. Thank you. So thank you very much, Yasemin.
Thank you.
So
for your
now I think we should have a Ideathlon, yes.
I do too, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, dear. Did everyone finish their presentations? I would like to ask that first. Croatians finished?
Yes, we did finish our presentation. So maybe now we have to open it, and then how do we create? We have to create the breakout rooms now, or we have to
Yes.
share it with everybody. What is better to do now?
Indeed, if we share it for everyone else, so tomorrow is gonna be a nonsense activity.
Okay, so
So
we
it's
will share.
better if we share it in 2 rooms.
In 2 rooms now.
Portuguese, and the other rooms will be Polish and Croatian ones.
Okay,
so in one room, I'm gonna be there, and Yasemin will be in another room. And tomorrow we will see all presentations. So we will just see the presentations and give feedback, and also tell our ideas. And there will be also peer assessment. For example, Croatians did it, so Polish ones
yes, I will do it
will
tomorrow.
also.
Yes, of course. Okay,
So you can create
I
2
can
rooms.
hear you very well.
Really?
I don't hear you very well, so I think I understand what you wanted to say.
Okay, I will write on the chat.
Okay, so now we should make the breakout rooms. Yes, 2 breakout rooms for Croatian and Polish team 1, and for Portugal and Turkish team 1. Yes, and then the students will talk about it. Yes. Okay. Do you want me to put you, Bahar, in one group?
Yes, in one group Bahar, in one group Yasemin.
Okay.
Right?
Great. Okay. So, Jessica, please. She knows how to do it.
Maybe. Do you have a mouse?
Yes.
Alexander, Poland. Ali Alpere, Italia, Poland. Antala. Ne. Bahar može.
Bahar. Tamam. Nisi stisnula.
Kogo je Francesco
Nisi ju
Portugal?
stisnula.
Jesam.
Aha, nisi stisnula. Nisi.
Kogo je Francisco
Portugal.
A čekaj, ja tu sad prvo Poljake. Okay.
Ovako. Imaš tu Poljake. Tobijaš, Jan,
Čekaj. Dominik.
Čekaj. Je, držaš? Da.
Ela.
Imam Evu.
Ela, Portugal.
Da, Ela.
Eva i Lorena su naše. To ide Furkan Turkey. Hana Eva naše. Hanja, to je Poland.
Ana, Snoop,
Anja,
Anja, da, da.
Ines Marijana, ne,
Nije,
Irma,
ne. Ivan i Luka.
Ivan, Jose Carlos, ne, Irmak, Ines,
Ne.
ne. Ivan, Luka, to mi je sad Kaša, nemoj. Kaj? Kaj da sad delam? Kaj da sad delam?
Ili snore.
Još jedan put. Znam. Antala. Ne. Bahar.
Dominik.
Da. Ela. Ne.
Da, ne, nisam sigurna, mi piše da je Ela.
Eva.
Lorena. Ana Eva.
Anja. Yes.
Da.
Ines.
Ne.
Irmak. Irma.
Da. Jarkoš.
Počta Kaša.
Da, Jarkoš. Mislim, nije Jarkoš, isto Poland.
Lara. Dinis, ne, to je Portugal. Madalena. Miguel, Portugal. Mehmet. Melissa. Ne. Natalka, yes. Nisa. Turkey, ja mislim. Oleg. Pedro ništa. Rabia Diva ništa. Sara, yes. Sultan ništa. Tobijaš. Veronika. Jasemin, ne. Yunus, Zeynep. Nitala.
Ali, I think.
Hugo e Francesco.
Ali. First. Please be quiet.
Ines. Irma. Irma. Jose Carlos. Lara Dinis, yes. Madalena.
Yes. Melissa.
Mehmet. Melissa. Nisa. I don't have Nisa. Nisa.
Maybe Nisa have this. Maybe this is nickname.
Pedro.
Yes.
Rabia
Yeah.
Divila. Sultan.
Yes.
Yasemin.
Yes.
Yunus Emre. Da. Zeynep.
Yes.
Da.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know who Ella is. Ella is maybe in Poland. Maybe it's a nickname.
Open all rooms.
Okay. Okay.
Tebe dela.
Nikam. Niti nisam.
U kojim ste prostorijama? Jeste?
Ok, jedan, svi. Molim vas da se ne igrate.
Here is teacher Bahar, I think. Yes, teacher
Yes.
Bahar. And in the other group is teacher Yasemin.
A gdje smo mi?
In the first group
Okay.
with Polish team.
Okay.
Anya, Ella. I don't know this Ella. Is she from Poland? I'm not sure. Ella.
Ella is a Turkish name.
Turkish team. Oh, then
We
what?
have to.
How can I move her now? I don't know how to move. Wait, Ella.
Can you move her?
Maybe. Gdje je sad Ella? Ella not join. Sign to.
And you can take me to one of the rooms also.
Yes, we will.
Yes, we moved Ella to the
Yes.
second room.
So you can start now.
Yes, we have to share
Presentations.
yes, presentation in
Hannah, Hannah, can you share your presentation?
Yes, you can share the screen. Open your, Anna will share her screen now.
Ivana, you can send me one of the room also.
In WhatsApp group.
No. I need to be one of the room with Polish or
You
Croatian
are not
ones.
in the, we put you in our group.
No, I was disconnected, so now I'm in the main room.
Connected. Okay, we will, I sorry, we didn't know that we disconnect you. Oh my God. Room one.
Okay. Okay now. Yes.
It's okay now.
He
Okay.
Pa zato ona gore bila.
Nije bila nigde u grupu.
Aha,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, Hannah, did you share? Što? A ja nisam nigde.
A zato ti ne čuješ. Ali gdje je bila nekunda? Čekaj. Ti si, aha, ali ti si kreator toga i zakaj mi se tebe ne nudi?
Yes, just a second. Recite da učenici nije bilo.
Our teacher has some problems. She will try to
Join. But you can share.
Ali Bane, kako da vidim?
Pa nema mi
Gdje mi ne nudi?
Idem ja knjima.
Here presenting your yes, I'm here. Yes. So our presentation was about biodiversity laws. So here it is. So first we have an introduction, the importance of biodiversity problems and solutions, and the conclusions. So first is the introduction. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth, including all species, plants, animals, all systems they form. What is did you say we will share it again. Okay. So we'll start with the introduction. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth, including all species, plants, animal, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystem they form and the dynamics. Biodiversity loss refers to the decline or extinction of species, the destruction of ecosystems, and the reduction of diversity. It is a major environmental crisis with serious consequences for ecosystems, human well-being, and the planet's importance. The next problem is climate change. So the problem is global warming is making places too hot, melting ice caps, and changing weather. So the solution we do is we need to reduce CO2 emissions by renewable energy, biking instead of driving and saving fuel. The next problem we have is pollution. So the problem is that the plastic waste and pollution kills marine animals like turtles and chemicals in water, harm fish and plants. So the solution that we could do is we could recycle, use less plastic, and support companies that use special PPE.
Solutions. Governments need to set limits and we can choose to sustainable recycling.
Basically, when animals are moved from one to another, they can take over entire. For example, animals in one area return local problem, and solutions. We must prevent the spread of new species by taking cargo ships, pets, and funds for them.
Chemical destruction for farming. Problems rainforests are being placed for palm oil and petrol farming, leading to the loss of species like turtle and salt. We can buy sustainable products for local farmers and reduce the problem first being cut down for farming, cities, and lodging, and this destroys habitats for animals like orangutans and tigers. Solution is using climate trees for sustainable products and avoids pollution. In conclusion, biodiversity loss is not just an environmental challenge, it is a call to reimagine our relationship. Let us take this moment to recognize our collective responsibility and work together to protect and restore natural diversity, thus sustaining us all. Thank you for listening.
How we can make it better.
Right now, here are some scientific results about it because of climate change. According to statistics, the scientific knowledge, scientific information, all this makes the presentation much more effective. solutions, you can write a kind of human-based solution. We should, for example, we should blah, blah, blah. We should make campaigns for stopping overfishing, for example. So when we use we be words, so it shows your possession. So we were into the presentation at that time. But that was right. They're just minor impressions. You know, the way it's for everybody so nice, here, excellent, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Water pollution, start with water pollution. Water pollution, contamination. It affects both the environment and itself, make deep, fresh resources. So there are huge different kinds of water pollution. So we have chemical pollution, which introduction of chemicals in water, such as pesticides, fertilizers, or metals. And they are covered to quite a lot of and the medication and water chemical pollution. And humans then you have which is present harmful criteria. So humans maybe pollution, but we also do it all it. And then
So he thought the presentation was really nice. So we thought the presentation was really nice and it had a lot of things, but we maybe think there's too much text and too little images. There's a lot of slides, but we think the text provision was cramped. It was cramped into too little slides. But overall, we liked it overall. But the presentation was already good.
Absolutely, it's a great presentation, but I think we had great publicity. You use black, so that's so you generally suggest the most white background. So it's usually the best way to make the presentation more and more understandable. And the second one, again, actually, I don't know. As a presentation was a bit and it took me up to the it was too long. Much so I don't know what to maybe just 1 or 2 sentences, and then I the solution because for example the soil is air and time exact 5 minutes evaluation presentation. So please stick to 5 minutes. You can finish it early, but you cannot finish it tomorrow. There will be students that and as we have the college it was great, but just one just make it a bit shorter. Thank you. It was again also just my question.
We will make it short.
Yeah. If after this event, so maybe you will speak some ideathlons and maybe hackathons, so you can participate in it worldwide. Maybe you can get other kind of that's the first step for you. That's 5-year-old ideathlon in this version because you are the reason person, so you can so that's one of the reasons why we use it just for like this. I hope you enjoy it, so we can go back to the bedroom and say goodbye to everyone.
Okay. I hope that the second room is finished. Can you hear me? I hope that the second room is finished. Because I cannot go in any room. I'm with students on their computer. I cannot see. Okay, should I close the rooms now? Okay, I sent a message over WhatsApp to second group, but they didn't answer me, so I don't know if I think they are finished. Yes. Okay, I will close the rooms and we will say goodbye to everybody. Okay, yes, they are just close the rooms. Hi guys, do you hear me? Yes, you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, great. So
Yeah,
the
we can.
group, you are finished with your work.
I think Turkish team
Portuguese and
also
Turkish
here.
team, you are finished, I suppose.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
We are finished, yeah.
Okay. So I hope you did it all well. And for today, we are finished now. And I would like to say thank you to all teachers and all students who have participated today. We will see each other tomorrow again at 10 o'clock, and it will be our last activities. So have a nice day and see you tomorrow. But I will not finish just yet because maybe someone of you want to say something. So you can freely say.
Okay, thank you for today for the activities and see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you for the great work you're doing.
Yes,
And
thank
see
you. Thanks to Bahar and Yasemin.
Thank you.
No, thanks to you first. Okay, you are the host.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you, guys. See you all.
Bye. So see you
Thank
tomorrow.
you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yes.